again. Are you ready to practice some more math skills?
We'll unlock different doors on our quest to the quiz.
Let's go!
Now let's practice more adding and subtracting.
Ooh, look!
Use this to unlock the door. There are 4 fish. Then 1 more fish joins them. What is 4 plus 1? Woohoo! 4 plus 1 equals 5.
What is 3 plus 7? Good thinking. 3 plus 7 equals 10.
What is 5 plus 1? Awesome! 5 plus 1 equals 6.
What is 5 plus 4? Fired up! 5 plus 4 equals 9.
What is 2 plus 7? Yes! 2 plus 7 equals 9.
What is 6 plus 4?
What is 9 minus 4? What is 10 minus 2? What is 7 minus 5? What is 8 minus 3? What is 5 minus 1? What is 6 minus 4? Nice job! You received 20 coins.
Hi again. Are you ready to practice some more math skills?
We'll unlock different doors on our quest to the quiz.
Let's go!
Now let's practice more adding and subtracting. Let's practice sorting addition tiles. What is 3 plus 3? Move the tile to the correct box. 3 plus 3 equals 6. What is 3 plus 2? Three plus 2 equals 5. What is 5 plus 2? Five plus 2 equals 7. What is 4 plus 2? Four plus 2 equals 6. What is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 equals 7.
What is 5 plus 3? Five plus 3 equals 8. What is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 equals 10. What is 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 equals 9. What is 8 plus 2? 8 plus 2 equals 10. What is 8 plus 1? 8 plus 1 equals 9. What is 9 minus 2? Indeed, 9 minus 2 equals 7.
What is 5 minus 4? Good going! 5 minus 4 equals 1.
What is 10 minus 4? Well done! 10 minus 4 equals 6.
What is 10 minus 1? Out of this world! 10 minus 1 equals 9.
What is 9 minus 6? You made the connection. 9 minus 6 equals 3.
Let's practice sorting subtraction tiles. What is 6 minus 2? Move the tile to the correct box. Six minus 2 equals 4. Five minus 3 equals 2. What is 8 minus 5? Eight minus 5 equals 3. What is 6 minus 4? Six minus 4 equals 2. What is 7 minus 4? 7 minus 4 equals 3.
What is 9 minus 3? 9 minus 3 equals 6. What is 9 minus 2? 9 minus 2 equals 7. What is 8 minus 3? 8 minus 3 equals 5. What is 10 minus 4? 10 minus 4 equals 6. What is 10 minus 5? 10 minus 5 equals 5.